What up? I'm recording this short video because I just got done watching, or not just, but I watched Lamb Chopper's video on Master of Puppets tone with the DSL, and I was kind of bummed that he used the 10 band EQ, which I did not have, which is $150, and I don't have that right now. But I have the 6 band, and I feel that I have taken his tone and shifted it more for the 6 band, and it sounds not as good as his because, well, he's just the best, but this still sounds pretty good. Sounds better than what the original was without the 10 band. So I've refined it. It's just a short thing. It just sounds like this. Sounds pretty close, which I'm kind of proud of this because, well, I shouldn't be because really I'm just ripping off him. But it's for this. I make these videos for me to look back on so I can quickly get the tone back. But if I can help people, that's cool too. That was Damage Inc. and try the solo for a little test. Well, whatever. But fuck. Well, anyway, it works. I will post the pictures like I normally do. That's pretty much it. Thanks for stopping by.